I just know.
So this is October 1st. It was supposed to open at 7:30. We're walking in at 6:57.
Wow.
I know. It was actually really quick.
Yeah,
Like, I was surprised.
There's tons of people here unless they're waiting for something.
They probably are, since the parks doesn't officially open yet. So
Yeah, we're going to Jungle Cruise.
Right, that's what I was gonna say. Our plan is to go to Jungle Cruise first, and then we're trying to stick to only opening day attractions today, and probably take a good long break in the afternoon and maybe take a nap.
That's my everyday. Take a break from school.
Let's take some pictures because it's so pretty.
And welcome to the world's most magical celebration. At this time, we invite you to explore Main Street, USA before the rest of the Magic Kingdom opens at 8 a.m. Merchandise, dining, and photo locations are available for your enjoyment. And we welcome you to discover Disney Fab 50 character collection in the Castle Gardens. We wish you a magical day here at the Magic Kingdom as we celebrate
like yesterday, I think.
Disney World's 50th anniversary.
That's kind of what I thought. So look at the difference between front of the castle and back of the castle. Like, at the crowds. Like, it's crazy to me.
There's like no one here.
There's like no one here. This is awesome.
Yeah, we should have just recorded this and be like, we're the only ones here.
Nobody came for the 50th. It's weird. Oh, the sky is gorgeous today. It's the walk time. Huh? What? The 4 posters? That's what you've got.
No, I'm talking about with the thing on the first
Oh. Kind of like you wanted the Princess Castle bed. Zachary, are you so excited? Yeah? Away we go. That's the important part.
It's the only point of this room.
They only care.
I want to say that it's just a manual.
You think so? I think it's a model. I think it's a 3D model.
I thought the ones on the ground.
Oh, maybe.
But I also think it's what they're taking vacation.
Yeah. There were people behind us in line though, right?
Oh, there's someone else right behind us.
Maybe they just skipped that one for some reason. Pretty.
I want to touch it.
It's killing you, isn't it?
That scared me so much.
Yeah.
Hearing the
Oh. So this mermaid over here, do you think they on purpose made it look like Ariel?
Disney does that. They put hidden secrets.
Yeah. I wonder if there's any hidden Mickeys on this ride. I've never looked. You got this, Captain Hook. We believe in you. Oh, that's so pretty. We can't go any higher?
It's not letting me move at all. Never try it again. It's fine. You did not get this one. Well, you know worky worky.
Oh, look at the castle, Melanie. Right there. I love the morning time. I love morning. Hello, all you little people. Oh, I'm a little person.
Look.
Yeah, we're the only people, and we're in the front.
I can see people.
Here we go. Ah! And this is how many times. Woo! That got you.
Now get down. Go down, go down, go down. Whoa. Whoa.
Look at Melanie and Zachary. I mean, look at Melanie and Daddy.
I don't want to break it.
You're not going to break it. This ride's been around for 50 years. I think you won't break from a 1 to 8-year-old.
I don't think it'll go anywhere.
No.
Oh, yes, it will! It's pretty high. This is not the highest it can go. Yep. This is the highest it can go. Hi, little guys.
Oh.
Okay,
That
go
means
high.
we're done.
Yeah.
Look at the castle. Do you see how pretty it is?
Yeah.
It's so pretty. Did you have fun?
Uh-huh.
Yeah?
Now it's gonna wait. We're descending.
All right, we're all done. So, believe it or not, we have never done Swiss Family Robinson Treehouse before. So we're going on an adventure today. 'Cause, you know, opening day attractions.
Haven't walked enough apparently.
Yeah.
So I decided to torture myself.
We're only at like 5,000 steps at 8:15 in the morning. So we figured we would like push ourselves.
I mean, I've got like 28,000 here. That makes me feel better. Yeah, we gotta do this 5 times. I want to beat my record.
Oh, okay. This is really pretty though. Like, it's cool. And Melanie, you've never seen this movie, right? I have, but it's been a long time.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Like, I was probably your age. Look, Mel. I know, I am starting to get hungry. Alright, so let's see what's at the top. I mean, I guess, so they were like abandoned on this little island thing. And this was the system they, yeah. I mean, not really. But in the movie. Oh, we're fine, we're fine. I know. Look at that view though.
Like it? It's good.
Y'all like it, really?
You try it.
Yeah, he liked it.
It's not bad.
I don't love it.
I'm gonna need to throw my coffee away. If it was the last drink in the world, I would drink it.
So the view is nice.
Yeah.
Hey, so we're back in the room. We spent about 3.5 hours in the park so far this morning, and it was getting hot and it was getting super crowded. And so we just decided to come back to the room and rest for a little bit. We actually have a late breakfast, early lunch at Chef Mickey's coming up soon. So we're just kind of resting for a little bit. And then we plan to be back into Magic Kingdom this afternoon.